Personally identifiable information, or PII, is content found in files and messages that may be considered sensitive by the subject. That could be a person's name, address, or telephone number. In many cases, it's not appropriate to reveal PII when it's shared with other teams or external partners. With this prompt, Microsoft 365 Copilot can quickly identify and redact any PII it finds in a Word document. I'm going to start in Microsoft Word this time, and I have a file here which is a summary of some information on an individual seeking care and support. It has a lot of PII in it. I can see names, addresses, dates of birth, and telephone numbers. So my goal here is to redact all the PII from this file so I can share it with others that shouldn't be able to see the sensitive information. Now, to change what's already in this document, I'm going to start Copilot from the page with this icon. I'll add my prompt here, and this is really simple. I'll write my goal, source, context, and expectation all in one sentence. So I'll add redact all personally identifiable information, PII, from this file, so it can be shared with people who do not need to see the sensitive information. Now, when I send that to Copilot, it rewrites the content of the file, but covers all the PII with a redacted label. If I'm happy with what Copilot has added, I can accept the new version by choosing Keep It, and then I can delete the existing one. With this prompt, Microsoft 365 Copilot is used in Word to find personal information. This saves the user time because they no longer have to find each piece of PII and then manually redact it.